Have you ever wondered how copper is made? Today on Tutor4Me, we're exploring copper, a metal used in electrical wiring, electronics, and plumbing. But copper doesn't start out ready to use. Its journey begins deep within the earth. So how is copper produced? And why is it so important in modern industry? Let's find out. Copper does not usually occur in pure form. It is found in rocks called ores, such as chalcopyrite and malachite. These ores are extracted using open-pit mining and underground mining, with major production coming from Chile, Peru, and China. Once mined, the ore is crushed and processed to separate the copper-bearing material from waste rock. The most common method used to extract copper is the smelting process. This process was developed in the late 19th century and is still widely used today. During this process, the ore is heated at high temperatures, causing the copper to separate from unwanted elements. The result is copper matte, which must be further refined. The extracted copper is then refined to remove impurities. This usually involves electrolytic refining. After purification, the copper reaches a level of quality suitable for industrial use. The refined copper is melted in industrial furnaces. The molten metal is poured into molds, forming large blocks called ingots. These ingots are shaped through rolling extrusion or drawing to create sheets, rods, wires, or other forms. One of copper's greatest advantages is its ability to form alloys. By adding small amounts of zinc or tin, engineers can improve strength and corrosion resistance. These alloys are widely used in construction and manufacturing. After shaping, copper components undergo machining and finishing. This includes cutting, drilling, polishing, and sometimes heat treatment. Different applications require different finishes, from industrial-grade parts to precision electrical components. Producing copper requires energy and natural resources. However, copper is highly recyclable. Recycling helps reduce environmental impact and lowers the need for new mining activities. So why is copper so important? Because it offers excellent electrical conductivity, high ductility, and strong corrosion resistance. From power transmission to electronics, copper plays a critical role in modern life. This has been Tutor4Me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell us in the comments, which metal should we explore next?